This, well, that is the top of North Hill. That ridge is Exmoor, which is Devon. Just on the side of that ridge is Devon. Somerset. Just beyond the nuclear power station is Avon. The white fuzz in the distance, if you could just about see it, is Wales. Apparently Welshmen don't like it when you say the password is big wellies, small lubrication. I said, well, if you don't like that, the alternative is rather Paleolithic, because you're going for lambs, not sheep. If you want small bellies and a lot of lubrication. Oh, look, see? They be welcome in the side. They be welcome under her tail. Ooh, Shaven Haven. Wales! And a view from North Hill. Well, official sunset was 10 minutes ago, but nobody told the sun. I got property. Mind you, by the time I get over the brow of the hill, down to where I'm going to be camping, if I can find it, where the hell is it? Down here somewhere. Downhill. It's all downhill now. I mean, literally, it's a case of 5 minutes to put the hammock up, pump up the airbed. I've got my oven ready to go on top. In case it gets windy, which I don't think it's going to get windy. It's supposed to get windy. It's not going to get windy for some reason. Oh, crap. Okie dokie. Down the hill, trying to avoid the larger clumps of sheep shit. Fucking flies. Down through here is ticks. They're the biggest issue. Yes, I have an issue with ticks. I had an issue with ticks. I've never had one tick actually embed itself in me. Oh, mushrooms. So it's not like some kind of paranoia type thing. Where the hell does this drop off? Down here somewhere. It's based on research. The whole thing, there was never any ticks in England up until the 1940s. After the 1940s, that's when Plum Island in America got massive into its biological warfare. And they would use things like ticks, primarily ticks, because they're viable in the section. Don't know where it's this way, I think. Try this way. They're viable in most climates. They don't have to have like tropical like mosquitoes. And they would just genetically engineer them to infect animals, primarily animals, with things like BSE, mad cow disease. That's actually been proven. It was I was talking for the past 10 minutes whilst holding the phone like this, and the phone decided to stop recording because the phone's a cunt. It's this Motorola G15, I think it is. It is a piece of crap. The only thing that's any real benefit to the thing is, the only thing that's better than my old chinky phone is that I can use the drone. It records video with the drone. But as the drone's crap, that looks like a trail. I don't think that's a trail. Yep, that's a trail. Because the drone is crap, I don't use it. I've used it once, tried to, and it just kept veering violently to the side. So it needs calibrating or something. I'm not that bothered. It's more a case of the drone is a good thing if you're in a bug out situation and you want to pop up an eyeball above the trees to see if the zombies are attacking without putting yourself at risk. So you can use it to like scout the area. But this phone is a piece of crap. It spends so much of its RAM and processing power documenting everything I do that it keeps crashing. Same with that fucking piece of shit little computer I got. I mean, yeah, it's great as long as you don't do anything with it. As soon as you start doing more than one thing, it crashes. Yep, this is my little trail down to the place. Right. Yeah, the sun is well and truly gone down over that side now. Oh my fucking kneecap. This is where it's really painful because of that metal into my kneecap. Going down steep inclines like this, especially when it's all powdery, crappy dust like this. Yeah, a couple of people do seem to watch my videos. Only a couple. comment or something, you know. Say hi. Home sweet home-ish. It's weird that I feel more at home hammocking in these trees than I do in the house where I've been living for the past 5 or 6 years now. Yeah, 5 or 6 years now. Been in that house. Whew. Ooh, the lucky fence. It is just pain that I don't have a lighter with me to actually light a little fire just to get rid of these bugs. It's not, yeah, there are a lot of bugs here actually, shit. See, normally I don't have any bugs here because I light the fire and the smoke gets rid of them. I don't care, right, fuck it, I'm gonna pitch up because I don't want to be doing it in the dark. But hey, it's a case that I can do it in the dark, but I've got a torch on my phone, I've got a torch on my radio. I would just rather get it sorted in daylight so I can sit down and chill.